Tammy here, just stopping by to do a really quick tutorial. My mom has a Red Hat group and they meet tomorrow and they're having their barbecue. And I did a little, I put a little kit together before and showed them how to make a card. And so they wanted to do that again, so I told them I would. So I put the kits together and I thought I would just hop on real quick and do a tutorial and show you how I'm going to put them together. So anyway, this is what I did. So I cut out, these are nesting dies, and I cut those out. They're rectangles. I think, I'm not sure, don't quote me, but I can't remember where I got the nesting dies, but they're rectangles and they have a little stitched edge on them. I think this one goes this way. But I printed out Happy 4th of July on, I did 8 of them on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and then I cut those out with the rectangle die to fit on here. Then I made some rosettes, cut out some scallop circles. This one's going to go on the front, this one's going to go on the back just to hide the staples. And then I tore some red and white paper, or red and blue paper for the front of the card. I've got a little strip of bling, not really sure if we're going to use that, but anyway. Then I found these foam stars at Walmart in the craft section, back where the kids' crafts are, and I thought, ooh, I'm going to use those too. So it's a really simple card, but the ladies don't care. They love when I come over and show them how to do this, and they love putting the cards together. So I wasn't going to bore you with all the tearing of the paper and the making the rosettes and the cutting the circles. And I made the card bases from 8.5 by 11 white piece of paper. I scored them down the middle at 4 1/4 on the 8.5 by 11 side, and then I cut them 5.5 off on the 11 side. So that's the card base. So we're just going to go ahead and put that together. But I do like, let's see, use my bone folder. Oops. And this will be the card that I show them how to do this tomorrow. So anyway, but what I wanted to show you was, in order to get this edge right here that kind of shows that the paper and it looks torn, I like that look. So the trick is, I'm going to show you, is you push down and pull towards you, okay? And that's how you're going to get that little finished edge, like that. If not, you're going to have this, okay? I like this. I think it gives it more character. So, and then if you want to, you can just turn this over. And this is how I did the 8 kits that I made. So, that's how I tore the strips for the card. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to red on this side, blue on this side, and this is kind of like just plan as we go, because I didn't really know how I was going to do this card. I just knew I wanted to do, it has to, all of it has to be glued, can only be glued, because most of these women don't have any crafting ability, and I'm not going to take a hot glue gun and give it to a bunch of ladies to pass around, because it would just take all day to make the card. So each element that goes on the card has to be able to be glued. And so what I do is I have these tacky glue, Aleene's Original Tacky Glue, and I get these at the dollar store, and I just take it over there, and each lady gets a bottle, so it works out really well, and it's super cheap. So, and it just makes it easier for them, so that all they have to do is just worry about gluing stuff down. They don't have to worry about a hot glue gun or anything. So anyway, so we're going to put this strip over here on this side. I'm just going to line it up kind of even. Just like that. So we've got red, white, and blue. Now, on the rosette, I am going to use my hot glue gun. I've already made all the rosettes for the ladies, so I was just going to show you. on this one. So I use the little one to cover up the staples, like that. Let it dry, turn that over, and then I'm going to use the big one on the front. And again, we're not doing anything fancy with edges or decorating or anything like that. It's just a really simple card for them to make. Just going to center that. Oops. Oh, crap. Just going to center that on the front of my rosette. Okay, not to worry. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the big star, put that on the front. Almost looks like an Avenger shield. And that's going to go, I don't know where that's going to go yet. Because if I do it here, I'm going to glue this onto there. Just like that. So it kind of has that cool little border. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bling on. Kind of want it to go to the edge, so I'm going to have to cut off a little row. Like that. And then I think this is going to go on top. That. And I think I'll put the sentiment inside. So, let's see. So what I'm going to do on here is I'm just going to move that aside. I am going to put dots of glue just on the little back of the bling. I've done this before and it holds really well. So, of course, this might irritate the ladies because they are older, but that's okay. They'll have fun. They love doing this stuff. They love when I bring this and show them how to do it. Alright, so I'm just going to put dots just like that all along the edge. And you gotta kind of be quick because I'm using art glitter glue. They're going to use the Eileen's glue, so it'll be fine. It won't dry really fast. Anyway, so I'm just going to, lay that across like that. Just across the center. And I'm just going to push that down. And this will also help me figure out if I need to do something like, I'll probably need to put foam tape on this part. Yeah, I'm going to have to put foam tape on that, so they'll have to get foam tape on theirs. So if you just let that dry, and then that way you won't see the glue. Art glitter glue dries clear anyway. I'm not sure about Eileen's. I hardly ever use it. I just use it for these little crafting projects. So anyway, I am going to take my big roll of foam and I'm going to put, let's see, put a little piece on one side, just like that. I think that'll be okay. Yep. And then a little piece on the other side. And go ahead and take that off. Just going to center that on the front like that. That way it's not messed up by the bling on the back. I'll just take our stars, put that on there, put this little star here, and then we'll put the sentiment on the inside. Now normally if I was making this as my own project, I'd be doing a lot more. So we're just going to put that on the inside like that. And then the card is done. Yay. Alright, so that's the front. The ladies are going to make that tomorrow. Gonna let that dry. And then that's the inside. And I know they're going to love it. So anyway, that is my quick tutorial for tonight. And thanks for stopping by and checking it out. And if you like this button or this video, please hit the like button below. If you'd like to be notified when I upload more videos, hit the subscribe button below and the little bell icon to the right, and that will let you know when I do upload a new video. So if you have any questions or you would like to leave a comment, do that below, and I always respond to all questions and comments, so I will get back to you. I am doing my 100 subscriber giveaway, but I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. I'll pick the winner tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed evening.